already went.
I know. Okay.
Hey guys, we're back.
Hello.
What are we making?
Well, the holidays are over, people, so we're going to start getting into some vegetables, and we love kale, don't we?
That's
Dr.
right, but they're
Berg?
probably playing this in July.
Okay, so we like kale in July too.
Okay, good.
And there's holidays all throughout the year. Maybe they don't know which holiday I'm talking about.
4th of July.
It's a big holiday here at the Bergs. Okay, so the point is that
We need ways to make kale delicious.
yes, or any vegetables, right? You have to have 7 to 10 cups of vegetables in your day, right? And how many ways can you do that? Well, I don't like to chew kale, quite honestly. That's why I first put kale in the blender, and now we have kale shakes. I just said that I'm the inventor of the kale shake.
Okay.
Okay, so so I like it chopped very thin. So you'll see in this recipe that there's kale, there's cabbage. We love beets, and the video you're going to see is a dressing recipe. It's a really nice spicy peanut vinaigrette, and you can use that on anything, even fish and stuff like that. But it really makes a salad yummy. I'm going to let you try it. I have some little bit of nut in here.
So we got cabbage, we have kale,
Red
we
and
have,
green cabbage.
What's in the dressing? You got
Love.
you got what?
Well, it's vinegar and oil. It's rice wine vinegar, toasted almond oil, and ginger,
Yeah.
and garlic, and peanut butters, organic peanut butter. Everything is, of course, organic, not vegan.
That's great.
Yeah,
I can
and
eat like 10 cups of that right now.
well, you can, because I have a lot of
I
it.
think I will.
I have a lot of it. And the salad base is whatever you like. I didn't do a video on that because it's really whatever you like. But for me, if it isn't pretty, I'm not going to eat it.
Okay.
So you got to make it pretty.
All right.
Okay? All right, enjoy.
Hey guys, thank you so much for watching. Please click the subscribe button and I will see you in the next video.